In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.4, question number 1, part 4. And question we have integral of x square natural log of x dx. I will say for this question and the next few questions, then because these questions are same as we have solved the last two questions, if you will solve your own, then you can tell your answer, then it will be great. You will learn in this way, but I will solve for you. So this is the formula which you have to use, and then u prime of dx. So here again we will consider u equal to natural log of x and v is equal to x square. So u is, just put the formula in the values in the formula, natural log of x integral of x square dx minus, and here is again, see, this is v dx, so these are same, so we have to write down here the integral of this, and then u is natural log of x, that you have to take the derivative, natural log of x. Now I will do here directly. See how I will integrate it. This is x square, so it will be x cube divided by 3. You have to add one power and the new power will be 3. 2 plus 1 3. Then you have to divide with the same power 3 minus same thing. This is integral. The integration of x square will be x cube over 3, and the derivative of natural log of x will be 1 over x dx. So this 1x will cancel 1, still we have x square here. So how I can write down this x cube, because there is multiplication, I can write down here natural log of x minus 1 over 3 we will take as a common. Here we have like this. So it is equal to x cube over 3 natural log of x minus 1 over 3 integration of it. This will be x cube over 3 plus c, right? Okay, this is not the answer. One more step, x over 3 I will write down in the next step. See, you have to multiply x cube divided by 9, so I can write down here it will be x cube over 3 natural log of x minus x cube over 9 plus c. This is your answer. But if you want, you can take x cube divided by 3 as a common from here. So then we have natural log of x, or I can write down, we can take this in the parenthesis, we have natural log of x 1 over 3 plus c. This, if you have this answer in the book, you can stop here. But if you have this answer, you can solve further. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.